I almost wasted my credits on WaveSpeed AI. Not because the platform is bad, but because I expected every generation to be perfect. That's the first mistake most new users make. You see incredible AI videos on social media, sign up, buy credits, type a quick prompt, and expect Hollywood level results. Honestly, that's exactly what I did. Then reality hit. Some videos looked amazing. Others looked completely different from what I imagined. At first, I thought the platform was a problem. It wasn't. My prompts were. The more I experimented, the more I realized something. WaveSpeed AI rewards people who think like directors, not just users. Instead of writing, a man walking in a city, I started describing camera movement, lighting, emotions, clothing, and the environment. Suddenly, the quality jumped. That's when I understood why experienced creators get much better results. They're not using a secret version of the AI. They're giving it better instructions. Here's something nobody tells you before buying credits. Every test costs something. If you keep experimenting with random prompts, you'll burn through your credits surprisingly fast. So before generating anything, I started writing my prompt in a notes app, reading it twice, and only then clicking generate. That simple habit saved me a lot of wasted credits. The other thing I noticed is that WaveSpeed AI isn't built only for filmmakers. Marketing agencies can create product ads. Business owners can make social media videos. Freelancers can build portfolio content. YouTubers can create cinematic B-roll. There are far more use cases than I expected. Now, can WaveSpeed AI replace a professional video production team? Not today. But can it replace expensive stock footage, quick promotional videos, and concept animations? Absolutely. That's where I think it delivers the most value. So here's my honest opinion. Don't buy WaveSpeed AI credits because you expect instant perfection. Buy them if you're willing to experiment, improve your prompts, and learn how AI video generation actually works. Because the real difference isn't how many credits you have, it's how well you use each one. And honestly, that's the part nobody tells you before you pay. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.